Yes boys, back on the Tommy C Hype. Bit of a different video today. Got some unboxing stuff to do. Made a little purchase on eBay to go with my van and my bike. Right, let's get into it. So, here's my little purchase, a little small box. Any guesses what it might be? I'll show you right now. So, in here, I decided to get myself a Chinese jet wash. So, comes with some orange pipe, I presume that's for plugging into the pump. A little 12 volt pump that will plug nicely into
i.e. Chinese bone.
12 volts there, yeah, or my Chinese bone, whatever you want to call it. So that's that. This is the pipe, it's a little filter pipe that will go into this nice bucket of water here. So let's get that in there quickly. That'll be sweet, it'll draw it for a bit. So that's that. And then obviously the water gun. So this is my nice new van, I'll show you this all in a minute. So I think it's just a case of plugging this into the 12 volts. Get the hose out the back. Undo this one. And we'll give it a go, see what it's like. I'm hoping it's fairly decent, because it'll be a good little addition to take on trips with us when we go riding and stuff, so I don't have to put dirty bikes in the back of the van. Nice length of hose there. Right, so I'm presuming, yeah, that plugs into there, and then that plugs into the gun.
Tom, you need to choke it.
No, it'll be fine. What do you mean?
It'll pop off.
It's choked. Oh, do you think? All right. He's right. I need to choke it, people. So that goes. Yeah, that wasn't very good. So this goes round here like that, and then like Archie says, man chokes it. Choke it like I'm choking John Cena. Right then. Moment of truth. Let's see what it's like, people. Plug her in. Drawing the water out there, I think. Yeah, it's definitely not working. Yeah, this is really good, this. Try not to get the pump wet, lad. Right, do you want to hold it in? Right, hold it in so we can actually draw some water through it.
Oh,
there we go. People, we're drawing water, look at that. Oh, Matt, look at that! Yeah, it's pretty sick. Good though, look at it. Oh, goodness me.
you're getting like...
Yeah, great. So reviews, it's not power-wise. I mean, to wash back, if your bikes are going to be already muddy, I mean, look at this for instance. Washing it off to an extent. So I mean, 20 quid. That's pretty goddamn good, mate. Quite chuffed with that. Alright, pal. Quite chuffed with that. Right, so I've washed most of the mud off my bike. Seems pretty decent. And for a tenner, you really can't argue.
Is everything out of the way?
It is pretty decent. No, don't. So yeah. Goddamn chuffed with it, really. Yeah, I'll hop out the van at Arch. I've unboxed my jet wash. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can buy yourself one if you want to. I just think it's cheaper than getting one of them Moby ones that cost like 70 quid on Chain Reaction at the minute. And I just didn't want to pay that. Tomorrow, there's quite a big group of us going riding. I'll have a brew, please, pal. There's quite a big group of us going riding, probably 20 of us, hopefully. Weather's meant to be absolutely shocking. So yeah, bit of a ride tomorrow. Maybe go out this afternoon and get some clips, depends what I'm up to. But yeah, tune in to see some more. See you soon, boys.